The world watched with bated breath as Donald Trump prepared for his second act, a return to the White House. Days before his inauguration on January 20, 2025, the former president sent shockwaves through the financial world. He wasn't announcing a new trade deal or a foreign policy pivot. Instead, Trump took to the digital airwaves, promoting his very own cryptocurrency. This was not a policy announcement. It was a full-throated endorsement of a new meme coin dubbed Dollar Trump. Trump urged his followers to buy the coin. He called it their ticket to join his very special Trump community. The announcement, delivered via X, formerly Twitter, and Truth Social, sent the crypto world into a frenzy. Dollar Trump was real, it was happening, and no one knew what to make of it. The meme coin, built on the Solana blockchain, was designed for virality. With an initial supply of 200 million tokens, the supply was set to grow to 1 billion over 3 years. This was classic meme coin territory, designed for rapid trading and fueled by speculation. The question on everyone's mind was simple: was this a joke? Or was Donald Trump, the master of self-promotion and disruption, about to become the most powerful figure in the cryptocurrency world? The cryptocurrency market, known for its volatility, responded to the Trump coin news with predictable chaos. Dollar Trump quickly soared to a market capitalization exceeding $20 billion. Traders, eager to get in on the action, sold off other cryptocurrencies to buy into the hype. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency and a bellwether for the market, experienced a wild ride. After briefly dipping to $90,000 earlier in January 2025, the price of Bitcoin surged past the $100,000 mark following Trump's announcement. The sudden influx of trading volume, driven by the Dollar Trump frenzy, created a ripple effect across the entire crypto ecosystem. The sell-off in other cryptocurrencies was seen by some as a sign of fear. Investors, uncertain about the implications of a Trump coin, sought refuge in the relative stability of Bitcoin. Others, however, saw opportunity. The dip in altcoin prices presented a buying opportunity, a chance to capitalize on the market's short-term volatility. The Trump effect was undeniable. The former president, with a single tweet, had managed to inject billions of dollars into the cryptocurrency market. The question now was whether this was a fleeting moment of hype or the beginning of a new era for crypto. The crypto community, a diverse mix of technologists, investors, and enthusiasts, struggled to make sense of the Trump coin phenomenon. Analysts and influencers took to social media, offering a mixture of shock, excitement, and cautious optimism. The Kobe Seed Letter, a prominent financial newsletter, described the situation as insane, reflecting the general sentiment in the market. Anthony Pompliano, a longtime Bitcoin advocate, issued a warning. "The financial markets are wholly unprepared for what's coming," he tweeted, suggesting that the Trump coin launch was just the tip of the iceberg. Ran Neuner, a crypto trader and TV host, took a more bullish stance. "The market isn't bullish enough," he declared, suggesting that the true potential of Trump coin had yet to be realized. The community's reaction was a microcosm of the larger debate surrounding cryptocurrencies. Were they a legitimate asset class, poised for mainstream adoption? Or were they a speculative bubble, destined to burst? The Trump coin launch, with its mix of celebrity endorsement and financial uncertainty, only served to amplify these questions. As Donald Trump prepared to reclaim the Oval Office, the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market remained uncertain. Leaks suggested that Trump planned to issue crypto-related executive orders shortly after his inauguration. A crypto ball event, scheduled for later that year in Washington, D.C., aimed to strengthen ties between the Trump administration and the crypto community. The most pressing question, however, remained unanswered. What was the official status of Dollar Trump? While the former president had enthusiastically promoted the meme coin on social media, there was no confirmation through official channels. Speculation ran rampant, with some suggesting that Trump's accounts had been hacked. Others believed it was all part of a larger, calculated plan. One thing was clear: Donald Trump's return to power had injected a new level of volatility and uncertainty into the cryptocurrency market. Whether this would ultimately prove to be a boon or a bane for Bitcoin remained to be seen. The only certainty was that the ride would be anything but boring. The world was watching, waiting to see what the former president, with his penchant for disruption and his finger on the pulse of popular culture, would do next. The future of Bitcoin, it seemed, was now inextricably linked to the whims of Donald Trump.